Welcome to a virtual studio. My name is Alicia Riley, and I am a certified digital events strategist, also known as virtual events producer. Translating a live event into a virtual or hybrid setting is my forte. This virtual setting consists of two monitors. Presenters can see the attendees on one monitor and their presentation and their live feed on the other monitor. JVC Pro HD capturing the live footage at various details of the presentation, as well as a Marshall camera showing wide-angle shots. The set design is simplistic. Glass tabletops and clear barstool safari chairs. Remember, virtual events are all about enhancing the content and less on set design. Uplighting makes the room pop with definition. Cocktail tables are on standby for scene changes to include columns. And of course, fresh flowers are on standby to adorn the stage setting. Behind the scenes is a monitor, which will give us a glance of what the participants will be experiencing. Headsets are also used to speak with the AV team that will be sitting behind the event producer's desk. Here is the event producer's desk. Myself and a virtual assistant will be sitting here as we look through our virtual guidebook to assist us with the event flow. Behind the scenes, we are watching a monitor, just to get a glimpse of the view the participants will be experiencing. One of the benefits of a virtual event is people from all over the world can partake in your virtual experience. The audiovisual tech table is complete with sound mixers, monitors, and switchers to add presentations and pre-records. Don't forget, my timelines and blocking notes are used to track their virtual event. Recording devices are also located on this table. The audiovisual team is using communication via cell phone and email to communicate with the virtual platform host. Creating virtual experiences takes mental preparation, coordination, and concentration. Don't forget about all the technology that needs to be learned. Virtual events are rewarding, but don't forget strategy first, content build, and create a team that can support the vision of the event.